Hello everyone, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Happy Skies Ahead card kit from Spellbinders. This is the April card kit of the month. This is the quick and easy card kit. Yeah, I haven't had a chance to take a look at it, so we'll be looking at it together. But please be sure to stick around until the end because I'm going to have several cards to share with you at the end as well. And I'll have a link to my blog so that you can take a look at those cards a little bit closer. But let's jump into this kit. So they come in a bag like so. And there is usually a card with the, here it is. So here is our card that comes in this card kit. This one says Happy Skies Ahead. That's what it's called. It tells you the contents of your kit, gives you a couple of examples of cards, and then on the back it'll show you how to make one of those cards. So I always think that's really neat how they do that. It's really cute too. All right, so I'm going to set that off to the side. We'll pull out the things that you always get, which in this case, you're going to get 8 cards and envelopes. Love that because especially if you're new to card making or if you're on the go, this is great to already have some card bases. These are A2 card bases, which means when they're closed up, they measure 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. And then these are the envelopes that work perfectly well for those. Not only do you get your cards and your base or your card bases and your envelopes, but you're also going to get some adhesive tape and some foam squares. So you've right here pretty much got everything you need to make cards, other than like maybe a paper trimmer. But so you'll get that. They've also started including some A2 card panels, and there are 20 of them. Let's pull these out and take a look at our colors. Ooh, I can already tell you that I'm gonna like this color palette. So we've got like a dark pink, and you're going to get 4 of each of the colors. So it's almost like having a full card base, but they just chopped that up for you into the 4 card panels for A2. Then you're going to get a light pink, you're going to get a green, you're going to get a light blue, and you're going to get a darker blue. I feel like this is super pretty. I love these. So that is wonderful. Love the color combo there. Okay, let's pull out our patterned paper. So I don't remember exactly how much patterned paper you get, but this is amazing layering paper. And I say that because it's like a thinner paper. So it's perfect for layering up and not adding a bunch of bulk. So some of them are going to have some foil like detail on them. I'm going to lay them out for you. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I love that. Those champagne strawberries, I don't know if you've tried those. Oh, that's a pretty one. Has a lot of words on it. And you're not going to get duplicates, so you will have to kind of decide which ones you're going to use. That's so cute. I know, obviously strawberries and stuff are in here. Fruit must be because this is so cute. Ooh, I love the gingham paper. Oh, that's really cute. The little suns. Oh, I like it so much. This is so pretty. I love this color palette. Okay, so those are the pattern papers. So that's going to give you an idea of even more of our color palette here for you. So what I suggest is if you are a card maker that's been making cards for a while, go into your stash, grab things that might go along with this, and yeah, get going on that. So, okay, you're also going to get, look at these. These are some flat back sequins, and it looks like there are a couple different sizes. You got bigger ones, and you've got maybe some medium-sized ones in there. And it's a pretty big bag, so it'd be good for shakers or just adding, you know, a fun element to your cards. Pardon the whatever's going on in the background. Ooh, look at this. So you're going to get some chipboard letters. Yeah, and you're going to get, it's a front and back. It's got some really pretty foiling on those letters that are like a diagonal stripe and a decent amount of each of the letters. So that's fun. And then numbers as well. So that's great. You also have a couple of elements like these scallops here and then a couple little smaller scallops. That's great. So that's going to be fun. You're also going to get some puffy sentiment stickers. Ooh, I love the puffy sentiment stickers. And they're kind of in rainbow colors. And they all are just, they're all different. So it says, hello sunshine, you sweet thing, and little treasure. And then lots of different ones. So you're going to have happy birthday. I also feel like these are great for if you are a scrapbooker, because these aren't always sentiments that maybe you'd put on a card. Thinking of you, you would, for sure. Let's make memories. Think happy, be happy. Cuteness overload. And that would be adorable to add to a little picture. Those are fun. And I like the little banner look to a lot of them. That's really sweet. Next up, we have some chipboard embellishments. And I always like these too, because you end up like you've got a frame. This also has, it's like 2 frames in one, and then a separate piece. You deserve all the good things. Enjoy this. You've got numbers, so that could be fun for a birthday. You've got like tabs. Sorry, they're playing with the water bottle in the background. Then on the other side, you also have more. We've got some hearts and some more like little tags, more numbers, just some cute little elements. I like that little cell phone that's cute, and a hashtag, or as we used to say in my day, the number sign. Okay, and then finally what you're going to get is a bunch of die cut shapes. I'm going to pull some of these out. You usually get 2 of each die cut shape. There are so many to make. I mean, you could just make a plethora of cards. So I'm going to pull out a few, or a bunch of them. Looks like you got a bunch of little elements as well. I like the little postage stamps. We've got some rainbows and some gingham hearts. We've got little birds and teacups and just all kinds of wonderful things. Good news, like a little, oh, it's great. Pears, your cherries. So we do have fruit. We've got some strawberries, some flowers, balloons, ladybugs. I love it. This is going to be fun. Got some houses. All right. So yeah, lots of good stuff here. Like I said, hang around till the very end so you can see the cards that I've made with this kit. I'm gonna be playing with it over the next few days and see what I can come up with, but I love it. I'll have it linked down below, along with some of the other things that you can get through Spellbinders for their monthly kits. I'll even have a value one down below, because if you get a few of the kits, you can also get kind of a value at them as well. So our first card uses some of the ephemera to make a background, and then we did top it off with some of the chipboard pieces. Our second card brings in lots of the ephemera, and then I do have a die cut circle in the background. I love how this one is. That one's probably my favorite. Our second one uses some more of the ephemera, and then I used the chipboard letters to make a HB2U card. Our fourth card uses some more ephemera and then a few more of the chipboard stickers for a Sweet 16 card. And then our final card today uses just strawberries, and we've got our puffy sticker sentiments and some more chipboard elements. And then that's going to finish off all of our cards for today. And I'd love to know which one was your favorite if you had one, so leave that down in the comment section down below. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button, and definitely consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. And as always, I will see you very soon in another video. Bye everybody!